Mr. President, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Tinubu, I am coming and speaking to you and to every Nigerian that we must all rise up. We cannot look at our nation brought down to the ashes. I feel pain. Throughout last night, I've been weeping over the killing of Brigadier General M. Ubah. This uniform of an army general speaks of our strength brought down. That at this particular stage, you should pause whatever you're doing and cause all Nigerian flags to go half mast. With the soldiers, we are losing, and we are losing because you refuse to take the steps that are required. We feel pain. I couldn't watch the video of the killing of General Musa Ubah. This is what your government is even trying to deny on the reality of the genocide of Christians. Now, this is the reality. If we don't face the truth, you have terrorists that are in your government. You have them in your government. It's time that all the terrorists that were pardoned and brought into the military as the JTF or whatever, it's time to spot them out. You know them. How can they be given AK-47 to be walking along? These are the people that are giving information to the terrorists, to Aswad or Boko Haram. I saw recently your people are trying to establish a peace accord with terrorists. Instead of going out and smoke these people, smoke them. I feel pain because here is the father of a family, husband. I can imagine the trauma. I don't know from his own family where the family comes from, but I can just imagine it. And instead of Nigeria at this point to almost stand still, and all of you Nigerians, I feel grief in my heart that all of you are just muting and just making text messages and just sharing the pictures and the video. Isn't it time that we all rise up? Not rise up in violence, but rise up to say that we must stop this evil in our land, this evil in our land, this evil in our land. We must do it. We must do it. We must do it. We must do it. We must come out to say to this government, you either agree together with the international community that are capable to support us to wipe out. These people don't deserve to live. They need to be wiped out. They need to be wiped out. We can't be losing our soldiers. Our soldiers are precious to us. Our soldiers are the strength of our nation. If the military loses its strength, we are all gone. The banner of God upon us will show us mercy. And I appeal, I couldn't hold this. I tried to hold it, but I couldn't hold it. But to come out, to speak to you, President Tinubu, get things right. Get things right. Right from your cabinet. You have terrorists there staying with you, working with you. This thing is politically motivated. These things are driven by some government from Borno right to other states. It's time you put your feet down and deal with the matter. And I want to say to you, Nigerians, wake up. Let's wake up. Let's wake up. Let's wake up and contend with this evil. If you think it is only enough, gradually it's rolling over to the south. You are not safe until we rise up. When the people rise, our light will shine and we will recover our nation. May God comfort the families of the fallen heroes. May God comfort the families of the fallen heroes. We stand with you, our soldiers who are really laying your life to secure our territories and our nation. May God be with you. May God comfort your family. May God watch over you. May God watch over you. Your sacrifices will never be in vain. It will never be in vain. It will surely come that Nigeria will be redeemed and Nigeria will be saved. If you're in this country on the 6th of December, we are coming out from every state on a prayer rally against genocide and the insecurity in our nation. The intercessors are going to lead that all over Nigeria. And on the 29th of November, we shall be gathering here on the plateau, under the Secretariat flyover. And there we will gather to pray and cry to the God of heaven. And so may God comfort Uba and his family. May God comfort our military officers, our sons and daughters that are paid the premium price. And I want to challenge all of you officers in the military. It's time you stand up and deal with this. You are in a war and don't compromise. Your life is at stake. These politicians will not help you, but you know that you must stand to be the defender and the deliverer of your people. You have lost many soldiers and officers. It's time we defend our territory. God bless you. God bless Nigeria.
This is Christ Apostolic Church in Kwara State. They are on service November 18, 2025. They are on service. The terrorists came, attacked them, killed many of them, and they kidnapped some. This is what is happening in Nigeria, persecuting of Christians. May God have mercy.